right track. If you did not get these answers, then you need to pay close attention as we talk about them. So we'll start with the ones that we did. Can you see here? It's kind of small. First thing he did was make that 1 over 27. Because when we have a negative exponent, it becomes 1 over. So then he said, okay, I got a radical. It's the cube root of 27 squared. So I have 1 over 3 squared, which is 9. Does anyone have a question about that? How many got that one on your own? Okay, that's pretty good. All right, this is the same problem basically. Start by doing 1 over. Then we have a radical. This is a 4th root of 16 cubed. The 4th root of 16 is 2. Cubed is 8. So we have 1 over 8. Anybody get that one on your own? Good. Now this one is already a fraction. So the negative exponent flips it. And then it becomes a radical, 4th root of 16. And the 4th root of 16 is 2. Nicely done, you guys that came up and did that. Now, let's look at this one. I'm not sure why we didn't do this one. What does that negative do to this fraction? Flips it. So it's going to be 27 over 8 to the 1/3. What does a fractional exponent mean? A radical. It's going to be a cube root of 27/8 to the 1st power. Cube root of 27? 3. Cube root of 8? 2. There it is, 3 halves. Okay? All right, we got 3 more to put up here, and I want 3 people who have not already come up to come up and do it. So Savannah, you're one of them since you were sitting back there chatting. So here's H. I don't care which one anybody does. But we got to get H, I, and J all done. So I and J. We'll be done for the day, guys, as soon as we get through these. So the quicker we get them up here. Thank you, Diana. Michael, you need to do them, sweetie. You did a good job with your problem, but you need to do some more practice. Chloe, Madeline, you guys come up yet? One of you needs to come up, or you can come up together. Do this last problem. They both do 3 like all in uniform?
Yeah.
I am.
Of course.
Don't even say of course. Never happens.
We're always in
But it looks like we are today. Oh, is it?
And then you have to type it.
I don't remember the components.
Go to the booth.
You got it?
Michael. PKS.
All right, let's look at these. Let's look at them, see what you came up with. And let me look. Oh my gosh, we got them all right. They're all exactly right. So, if these are not the answers you got, then pay attention. We're going to go through them carefully and quickly. Pay attention. So, this becomes 1 over 9, right, because of the negative. That's a radical, so it means the square root of 9 cubed. Square root 9 cubed. Square root of 9 is 3, cubed is 27, 1 over 27. 1 over 100 to the 1/2, negative 1 over square root of 100, 10, 1/10. Now, this one, we have to flip the whole thing, right? So it becomes 100 over 9 to the 3. Now, they chose to split it up, which is perfectly okay. That is absolutely 100% okay. You can also leave it together and say, okay, I got the square root of 100 over 9, and I have to cube it. What's the square root of 100? 10. What's the square root of 9? 3. And then I have to cube that. What's 10 cubed? 10 times 10 times 10, that's 1,000. And 3 cubed is 27. Nicely done. Nicely done. Good work.